All right, good morning, Mario. So for today, we are going to be reviewing the clock. I know that this is going to be our Iep Goal 3 and 4. So I know for today, we are, let's go ahead and focus on this worksheet, which is your last worksheet on your packet. Right here, it says print the time for each clock. So we're only going to be writing the time. We're not going to be drawing the minute or the hand. So let's review. Mario, can you tell me what the big hand is for? Yes, correct. So we said the big hand is for the minutes. And what is the small hand for? Correct. That would be for the hour. So let's do 1 through 3. So right here, we have the big hand on the 12 and the small hand on the 5. What time is it? Can you tell me? Good job. So it is 5 o'clock. So this is what you'll be doing for this assignment. Now for number 2, what time would this be? Good job. So this would be 7. And on number 3, you have 3 o'clock. So this should be fairly easy. Remember, when you count around the clock, you count by 5s. The big numbers are 5s. And then the small ones, you can count them as 1s. So like right here, you have 12. So this is 60 minutes. So we're going to count right here, starting with 1, 2. Let me change this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what did we say the big numbers were? We're counting them by 5. So you can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So for example, right here, we have the arrow between the 9 and the 10th, but then we have the big hand on the 6. We said the big hand is the minute. So what is right here? 30. And right here, is it 9:30 or 10:30? Good job. It is 9:30. So I want you to do this all the way down to number 9. Goal number 4. This is the one that I call you for appropriate behavior and responses. I will be calling you so that we can continue working on this goal, and then I can go ahead and submit a grade. So send me a picture of the math worksheet for a grade, and then I'll give you a call. Let me know when you're done.